If you're a content creator, which you may be because you're watching this, and you're looking for a way to make money, well, in this video, I'm gonna share 9 ways that you can make some money as a content creator. Hey there, I'm Kevin Kolbe, and I love to help people like you share your gifts and make an impact in the world with online video. If that sounds great, consider subscribing and hitting like if this video helps you in any way. Look, there's a lot of ways content creators like you and me can make money. I'm not gonna guarantee any of these will absolutely make you money, but I can tell you that they're all viable things to consider. Now, you may wanna do one or all of them, or maybe none of them. That's totally up to you. And I think these will help you whether you're just beginning or you've been creating for a long time. So let's hop into it. First up, affiliate marketing. Yeah, so a lot of the links you'll see in my description and other places are affiliate links. Like, for example, I'm an affiliate with Amazon, and I'm affiliate with other brands that I use and I like, and so therefore I can sign up for their affiliate program, and then I get a special link. And so what happens is if you hit one of those links, if you use one of those links, I may make a small little percentage of something you buy at no extra cost to you. The best way to find affiliates is go to Google and type in the brand you're interested in or the company and just type affiliate program and see if it pops up. Another way is create digital products. So do you have something that maybe you could turn into a digital product? And what I mean by that is you're not creating something physical that you've got to worry about storage and shipping. This is something that would live on a website. So like a while back, I did some countdown timers. And if you're interested in that, I'll put a link down in the description. And I use Podia to host mine, but you could do this anywhere. But it's a product that you can create digital. So you create it one time and then you sell it over and over and over again. Now here's another one that can be a lot of fun, and it's membership support. Now, if you're part of the YouTube Partner Program like I am, you can activate memberships, and there's sites like Patreon, but my favorite is Buy Me a Coffee. It's totally free to join. In fact, if you want to support my channel, there's a link down in the description. I'd appreciate it. You can do blog posts. You can do special downloads. You can do digital downloads on there. You can offer things. And it's a cool way just to have people support you and then give back as well. Here's one. Freelance. Now, even if you have your own business like I do, you could still do some side projects and things like that. I hate the word side hustle. I'm not going to use that. Just think about what you do, and is there a way that you can freelance and do that? Now, you can do it locally, but you can also do it remotely, like maybe remote produce a live stream or a video for someone, because now it's just so easy to do that. This could be a big one, maybe a little harder to do, but sponsorship, brands, and deals. Now, a lot of times you may have businesses reach out to you and want to sponsor something you do, but a lot of times you may do the legwork and have to reach out to them, but that's okay. So you could do a one-off sponsorship where they just want to do one thing. Maybe it's a review and they want to pay you for that. Or it's an ongoing sponsorship of, say, your live stream or your videos or your products. But be careful about underselling yourself and your services to brands and companies. You may not be able to go in and ask for as much as you think you're worth, but just be careful that you don't get taken advantage of too. Sell stock footage. Now, it doesn't even have to just be images. If you're a photographer, that'd be phenomenal too. But what about video? What about 4K? What about vertical? But look for sites out there that are looking to buy footage that you can make money from, or maybe you upload it and you make like a cut or a commission if they sell it. A few years ago, I uploaded some clips to a site. Didn't even think about it. There were some things on my iPhone and somebody bought one of the clips. Didn't make a ton of money, but it was fun. Here's one that I haven't done yet. It's on my do list, and that's write a book. Yeah, think about your life experience or a self-help or a tip book or something you've done really successful, and you could write a book about it and then publish that. Now, you can self-publish or you can go through a publisher. There's a lot of different ways of doing it. Maybe you do a video on it too. So here's one that's really near and dear to me, and it's coaching and consulting. I'm a video coach, and I do have a lot of clients that I work with to either get them into video or just maybe kind of take their video up a notch. But think about what you do, like your world and your passions, that you can then turn into coaching and consulting and help other people with. I do think there's a difference between coaching and consulting, but whatever you want to call call it, people may pay you for your expertise to help them. Create an online course. This could be a great way to put your knowledge into a course that then you sell over and over and over again. And there are a ton of places and sites out there. I use Podia. There's a link to that down in the description. But think about a way that you can create a course. It doesn't have to be crazy long. It could be short, step by step. And people will pay you to help them learn faster. Now, if you think, well, Kevin, I'm not an expert. I don't know everything, and I can't reach everybody. I think it was Pat Flynn who said something like, you don't have to help the world, just help one person. So let me know in the comments if there was one of these that really struck you. It's like, yeah, Kevin, I really want to try that. Or did I leave one out that you think, oh, dude, you ought to be thinking about this. Either way, let me know down in the comments. Hey, I really appreciate you being here. I'm Kevin. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.